Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna be doing some Christmas DIYs. What do you know? If this is your first time here, welcome and thanks so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Not too long, let's get on to the DIY.
For this first DIY, I'll be using two of these signs from Dollar Tree. They're probably in like the summer section, and then also the Our Father decal that you see in the back there. I'm going to use a total of 4 picks. I'm going to glue them together and then give them a coat of paint and then add the decal. And you guys will see how I decorate it at the end.
It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting what you say. As we're growing older, darling.
I did add some popsicle sticks on the back so that it wouldn't bend and come apart.
It's me that I'm fighting now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin. And I'm always sorry to bring you in my fall. Yeah, with my fall.
Before I go on to the next one, I do want to say thank you to White with Style for sponsoring this video. You guys will be able to get the Sparkle Whitening Kit for only $28.99 from $269, and then also the Stellar Whitening Kit for only $69.99 from $318. It's really easy to use. It takes less than 20 minutes to set it up and then less than 30 minutes to do your first treatment. The kit that was sent to me has a set of custom trays, a syringe that has enough for 10 treatments, the LED light that activates that gel, vitamin E swabs, and also a shade guide. Really quickly, I'm going to show you guys the steps that I took to make my trays. You're going to bring some water to a boil, let it sit for about 6 minutes and let it cool off. Then you're going to put your trays in there for 10 seconds, not too long because you don't want these to melt. When you take them out, just carefully put them in your mouth and you're gonna put them on your teeth. It's not a pretty look, but it's worth it. So you're gonna suck out all the air and then press them against your gums. Once you're done doing that, you hold them in there for 15 seconds. Once you're done, you drop them in some cold water, take them out, and then you're gonna cut off that little flap in the front and then also any area around the gum that's too large. So taking the gel, you're going to put a tiny dot into each tooth impression. Don't do too much, you don't need it. Put them back in your mouth, put the light over it, and then go about your business. Try to keep it under 30 minutes. Once you're done, take them out, rinse out your mouth, and rinse out the mouthpiece. That way it's ready for your next treatment. Thanks again to White with Style for sponsoring this video, and you guys make sure you check out those links. If you do want to try this out, you can get a really sweet discount. For this next one, we're going to use one of these Dollar Tree signs. I turned it around and I painted it. This paint that I'm using, it's the same Oops paint that I've been using for like all my projects. And then also one of these reindeer ornaments and a little bit of boxwood as well.
I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. Also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours.
For the lettering, I'm just using my pencil just so that if I make mistakes, I can erase it. And then after that, I'm going to go over it with my Sharpie poster paint. I'm definitely not a professional at this, I've just had a lot of practice, but if you guys would like to see a tutorial on how to do some hand lettering, let me know in the comments down below. And last but not least, taking 2 of these Dollar Tree houses, this little stem from Dollar Tree, I'm only going to use the pine cones on it, and some more boxwood from Walmart for 97 cents. And then I also have my buffalo check or plaid scarf from Dollar Tree, some burlap fabric, and then also this little beaded garland.
Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets, 'cause I already forgot.
On this island, we were found.
Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below and hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one. Bye.